theater ngayon is booming. Tapos, ang mahal pa compared sa pelikula. Bakit? Lahat ng shows ngayon, jam-packed. Diba? Tapos, ang mahal. Kasi iba ang binibigay din ng live theater sa audience. Pagpasok mo, although ganun din naman sa pelikula, na pagpasok mo, madilim, ganito, papanoorin mo. Pero iba yung live, yung energy ng actors pinapanood, nakukuha ng audience yun. So, ibang high din na pupunta sa audience. So, yun, pareho lang pala.
So, speaking of highs, if I were an audience member, what kind of high would I get from Silver Lining? From the cast, what high would you get from watching Silver Lining?
Excitement. Also, I think the uniqueness of this story is that kahit us youths and any generation talaga can gain something from the story, can relate to something, can learn something, can feel something. And I think the high that you'll get is really the excitement of I mean, when we have amazing music from Sir Vince and Sir Jack, and amazing dance from Sir PJ, so you have so much of that excitement from the amazing cast. Then you have like so much bonggang dance numbers and all that. But also you have the real emotional moments, and you have real things that you can connect to. And I think, especially as a returning cast member, it's exciting to come back to because even the audience can get a lot from it. Diba, Albert?
Yeah, but also I think on top of all of that, all of those amazing factors about Silver Lining Redux, I think the same thing as last year that I feel that is really the high for Silver Lining is the conversations that it can ignite for families, for friends. Kasi at the end of the day, the whole show is about really talking about things, communicating how you feel, about things that happened, things that might happen. So I think the conversation talaga that happens within the story is really what makes, and even after, is what makes the show shine so much. Yun.